everyone, welcome back. Today we will be discussing about a very intriguing topic that will grab your all attention. Let's get right into limerence. Limerence is an intense, unhealthy infatuation that's focused more on idealization and obsession rather than mutual respect and understanding. When someone is experiencing limerence, they're totally obsessed with the object of their affection. Now, being the object of someone's affection can feel pretty good, but it's important to recognize when things might be getting out of hand. Let's talk about some signs of limerence. Alright, so how do you know if someone is a little too into you or becoming limerent? Here are some signs to look out for. Number 1. Constant contact. Do they text or call you nonstop, needing constant reassurance from you? It's nice to hear from someone you like, but if they're blowing up your phone every 5 minutes, it could be a sign of obsession. Number 2. Physical clinginess. Do they insist on physical contact, invade your personal space, or become overly possessive in public? It's important to establish boundaries when it comes to physical intimacy. Number 3. Grand gestures. Are they constantly showering you with extravagant gifts or planning elaborate surprises without considering whether you actually want them? While it's nice to feel appreciated, it's also important for gestures to feel genuine and thoughtful, not forced or over the top. Number 4. Idealizing you. Do they put you on a pedestal, believing you can do no wrong and that being with you will solve all their problems? This is a sign they're more infatuated with the idea of you rather than who you actually are. Number 5. Loss of identity. Have you noticed that this person seems to have lost sight of who they are outside of their feelings for you? Do they only want to spend time with you and have stopped talking to other people in their life? Number 6. No for an answer. Do they respect your decisions or try to override them? Do they try to manipulate or guilt-trip you into changing your mind? Number 7. Extreme jealousy. Are they overly possessive or jealous of any attention you give to others? Do they closely monitor your interactions with friends or get upset when you talk about other people in your life? So, what do you do if someone is exhibiting these signs? It's important to remember that most people who experience limerence aren't dangerous or malicious. They're just caught up in a whirlwind of intense emotions. But that doesn't mean you should tolerate this behavior, especially if you're uncomfortable. By setting boundaries, talking openly, and taking care of yourself, you're not only keeping yourself safe, but also helping both of you grow in the end. It might be tough to let go, but it's the only way for the two of you to feel respected and understood. So, how do you differentiate between genuine feelings of love and unhealthy infatuation? Share your insights in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, let us know with a like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos.